amazing golf tips and tricks that the pros recommend. With all the video games and various golf simulators available on the market today, more people are being drawn to golfing as its presence expands. If you've wanted to learn how to golf in general, or if you're looking to make some improvements, make sure you read and use the tips provided below. Consult a professional if you're thinking about buying new golf clubs. The Courses Golf Pro can advise you on what kinds of clubs will best suit your style, and can also help you to identify the newest and best products. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to try to get to know the local golf pros at courses you like to attend. This may help you out by getting advice you might not have gotten elsewhere, as well as maybe even discounts on gear or course fees. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you never walk in the path of someone else's ball while on the green. This is important because it not only is considered rude, but it also may change the path that the ball takes on its way to the hole. If you try to be on plane at the top of your golf swing, you will be able to guarantee a solid ball strike as well as have much greater accuracy. Place your forearm so that it is parallel to your spine. Also make sure to rotate your shoulders into the back swing. Golf is a game that takes a lot of concentration. You cannot luck into being a good golfer either. You need to have the skill. That's why you need to make sure you read, absorb and implement these golfing tips the next time you're out on the course. A few simple tips will go a long way. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.